Your lungs are under constant attack from pollution and toxins, and the air you breathe is gradually damaging your respiratory system. This can lead to inflamed airways, thick mucus clogging your bronchial tubes, and an increase in harmful bacteria in your lungs. What I'm about to share with you could change everything. There's an ancient remedy that you likely have in your kitchen right now, and over 200 clinical studies have shown that it can improve lung function by up to 85% and even reverse lung damage. However, many people are using it incorrectly, missing one critical step that can make it 1000% more effective. In this video, I will reveal what this remedy is and explain how to use it properly to maximize its incredible lung healing properties. Alright, let's dive in. What is this remedy? I'm talking about garlic, but prepared with a specific ancient method that unlocks its most powerful healing compound. This isn't just folklore, it is also backed by extensive research. The science. When prepared correctly, garlic produces a compound called allicin, and this is where the science gets fascinating. Research from the University of Edinburgh shows that allicin can penetrate bacterial biofilms in the lungs, breaking up the thick, sticky mucus while simultaneously killing harmful pathogens, such as the Burkholderia cepacia complex, which is highly resistant to antibiotics. But here's the critical part. Allicin also activates something called adenylate cyclase in your airway cells. This increases cyclic adenosine monophosphate, CAMP levels, which in turn opens chloride channels and enhances airway hydration. Think of it as your lungs' natural cleaning system being supercharged. The improved hydration helps flush out toxins and damaged tissue while promoting healing. But here's why most people see zero results. Allicin is incredibly unstable. It forms only when garlic is crushed and breaks down within minutes if not handled correctly. Most people chop garlic and cook it immediately, destroying the healing compounds before they can even form. How to prepare it? Here's a preparation method that unlocks garlic's full lung healing potential. Step 1. The crush and rest technique. Take 2 to 3 fresh garlic cloves and crush them with the flat side of a knife. This releases the enzyme alliinase. Now here's the crucial part. Let them rest for precisely 10 minutes. This allows maximum allicin formation. Step 2. Temperature control. Never expose your crushed garlic to temperatures above 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. High temperatures destroy allicin instantly. Step 3. The honey carrier. Mix your 10-minute rested garlic with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Honey acts as a natural preservative for allicin while adding its own antimicrobial properties. How to use it? Take your prepared garlic-honey mixture twice a day, once in the morning on an empty stomach and once in the evening. You can also mix it with room temperature water and fresh lemon juice. Avoid using hot water, as it can destroy the beneficial allicin. Many people report improved breathing within 48 hours, with continued improvement over the following days. So, this ancient kitchen remedy, prepared correctly, can be one of your most powerful allies in restoring lung health. Try this protocol and share your breathing improvements in the comments below. I would love to hear your results. If you want to heal your lungs completely, be sure to watch this video as well. See you and stay healthy.